Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to unmask images in Figma. Unmasking removes the mask effect, allows you to reveal and edit the full image again. This is especially useful when you want to adjust the design, swap out the picture, or start fresh with a new mask. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In this profile picture, I would like to change the image. So I would like to remove this background picture. First I have to select the ellipse in the layer panel. Here you have to right click and click on the remove mask. Here also you can do, or else you can right click on the profile picture, or you can do the properties panel. The ellipse section you have to select the mask area. You have to click on the remove mask. That's it. So now you have to delete the image, and I would like to change the image, another image. I would like to insert this image. Select the ellipse and image. Then you have to right click and click on the use as a mask. So you can also do the same as here, the properties panel. That's it. So in this way you can unmask the image from any object. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.